Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be making a bag out of some materials that are not likely to be used to make a bag. Hopefully it will turn out right. Never done this before, but I purchased a set of these. This is those like a kiss, it's not a kiss lock, but it's like a spring lock. I don't know what this would even be called. I didn't want the one that like snaps together. That's the actual kiss lock. But then I found these and I got a set of 4. So they're four different sizes. This is the second largest size. And I want to make a bag out of this rug. Also from the Goodwill. I just washed this. No, it's not a rug. It's a blanket. I just washed this. It's this nice soft texture. I'll show you it up close. But I want to cut this and do whatever I need to do to attach it to this handle thing. I watched one video of somebody making something like this, but her thing like this came apart, so she could make a little opening for it and slide it through. I'm not going to be able to do that because I don't see how this thing can come apart. you.